It's Cesar with the Food52 Test Kitchen, and today we're making a Puerto Rican summer hot weather classic, helado de coco. I grew up in Brooklyn eating these from little carts in the street. I'm sure a lot of you have seen these around any big city in the US or in Latin America. Let me show you how to make it. This is something I grew up with. This to me is after school. The little helado guy would be in the front of the school, you know, ringing his bell. Ding, ding. We can make it ourselves. Puerto Rican helado de coco is kind of like a cross between like an icy and an ice cream. That's like neither. The word helado even is kind of an interesting topic. For Puerto Ricans, helado is this, like more like icy, even though it means ice cream for the rest of the Spanish-speaking world. But then Puerto Ricans call ice cream mantecado. It's a thing. It's confusing. It's gonna come together super fast and easy in our Vitamix. I'm starting with a can of evaporated coconut milk. The interesting thing about evaporated coconut milk, just like evaporated milk, the milk flavor is so concentrated. So it's like coconut milk on steroids. If you can't find, no, this isn't working. Oh, it's working now. If you can't find evaporated coconut milk, regular coconut milk would great as well. You can also make your own coconut milk. So we're gonna go in with our evaporated coconut milk. I thought my Brazilian limeade was the easiest recipe I've ever made, but I think this is the new winner. So to the evaporated coconut milk, I'm also adding cream of coconut, and this is very sweet. Do not confuse this with regular coconut milk or coconut cream. Cream of coconut is the stuff you use to like make piña coladas. Get all that good stuff. I'm also going in with some heavy cream, but if you don't want to do dairy, you can leave it out. A little heavy cream. So yeah, this is not a true ice cream, as you can see, because I'm putting ice in it as well. Sounds weird, but it works. I'm also going in with just a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla paste. You can also use vanilla extract if you don't have paste. And this isn't gonna make it taste vanilla-y. It's actually gonna help support the coconut flavor. Just like anything sweet that I do, a good pinch of salt. That's kosher salt. So let's give it a quick blend. So this is nicely mixed. We're going to add ice. And we're gonna blend it up. It's gonna kind of be a really loose slushy, and that's gonna give us that iconic texture from the little carritos throughout New York City in the summertime. With 2 cups of ice. There are, of course, many other flavors of this. I think coconut is the most popular, but you could get cherry, you could get mango, you could get rainbow, if you know, you know. That was like a J-Lo moment. If you know, you know. That's it. Oh my God, so fast. Get our vessel to freeze it. I've got our super cubes. This is the 2-cup super cube. You could totally freeze soup, obviously, and stocks and any savory thing, but it goes beyond that. And it's perfect for this. Fill it up to our line. All right, let's cover it up and into the freezer for at least 8 hours. The magic of television. Swap. Did you know Julia Child essentially created the swap? A little food history.
I'm gonna learn. I shall overcome.
Ooh. Usually when you get this in the cart, you get in a little paper cup, a little plastic cup. We're fancy. Just scoop it out. See, and that's the texture we want. You see how it's like nice and icy, but still has creaminess to it. Bro, not bad. It's not gonna look like ice cream because it's not ice cream. It's supposed to have this icy texture. Let's give it a try. Yo, this is childhood right here. It tastes just like it. I think it tastes better than it. You know why? Because usually the cart is too sweet. This is like perfect sweetness. It's sweet, but it's not like, oh man, it's so good. So cold. Ooh.
I love that texture. Kind of looks like sand.
Right?
Whoa.
It's like icy, but then it melts like really creamy.
That feels like a perfect summer.
I hope you try it. This is helado de coco, one of my favorite summer treats. This is my childhood right here. It's a lot of people's childhood. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Recipe down below. Comment, like, subscribe. See you in a bit.